Let's change things up a little bit this month, shall we? I'd like to work on a fun composition exercise together that I call fuzzy foregrounds. This is a really fun focusing / composing technique that I've used quite a bit in my own photography, and I think that you're gonna enjoy it too. I'll put a couple pictures up on screen here to kind of help illustrate what I'm talking about. This is basically a really easy technique to adopt, and it works great across all different subjects. I've used this one in wildlife shots, I've photographed sporting events with this technique, and I've even used it to shoot portraits. Of course, we are all quite familiar with the concept of out-of-focus backgrounds, but this is the reverse, since we're talking about blurring out foreground elements that are closer to the camera, keeping the focus on the main subject, of course. To me, it has a nice attention channeling effect, since our viewers' eyes will naturally gravitate towards the sharper subject matter that's behind the foreground, and I find that this is a great way to shoot when you're dealing with a really cluttered scene or environment, or perhaps you just need to gobble up some extra space in the composition. Anyway, it's a really fun and very versatile technique, and it's a really fun way to shoot, so let's play with this one together. So guys, you could practice this technique literally anywhere, and this week I happen to be visiting family back in Seattle, and I've come down to the world famous Pike Place farmers market, where I'm gonna head inside here and see what kind of subjects I might be able to find, and hopefully I'll be able to create some fuzzy foregrounds in the process. Let's see what's in store for us. How about grabbing something like a broccoli or So that was just a part of one of our fun monthly photo assignments that we send out to our amazing members at viewfindermastery.com. And if you want to be challenged by fun monthly photo assignments, then come and check us out and join our membership. You'll get valuable professional feedback from our team, plus you'll get access to our entire library of quality online courses. So join us to have fun, to be challenged, and to get feedback on your work and to learn from the team at Viewfinder Mastery. Thanks for watching, and we will see you over at viewfindermastery.com.